Do you ever feel like you need to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life? If so, why not create a backyard retreat in your own home? A backyard retreat can be a place where you can relax, unwind, and escape the stress of the day. It can also be a great place to entertain guests or simply enjoy the outdoors. In this video, I will show you how to create a backyard retreat that is both relaxing and private. I will share some tips on choosing the right location for your retreat, as well as some ideas for decorating and furnishing it. It will also give you some tips on how to make your backyard retreat as private as possible. The first step is to choose the right location for your backyard retreat. You will want to choose a spot that is quiet and peaceful and then gets plenty of sunlight. If you have a lot of trees, you may want to consider clearing out some of the branches so that you can get more sunlight. Once you have chosen a location, it's time to start thinking about the design of your backyard retreat. You will want to create a space that is both relaxing and inviting. You can do this by adding comfortable seating such as hammock, a swing, or a patio set. You can also add some plants and flowers to add a touch of nature. If you want to make your backyard retreat even more private, you can add some privacy screens or fencing. This will help to block out the noise and distractions of the outside world. Once you have finished designing your backyard retreat, it's time to start enjoying it. You can relax in your hammock, read a book, or just take a nap. You can also use your backyard retreat to entertain guests. Just be sure to stock up on drinks and snacks. I hope this video has inspired you to create your own backyard retreat. It's a great way to add value to your home and create a space where you can relax and unwind. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to create a backyard retreat. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.